Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable offline mode and use dark mode in the Audible app on iPhone. If you want to save battery and listen without internet, Audible has both features built in. First of all, open the Audible app and then go to your library and then tap the download arrow next to any audiobook you want. Once it's fully downloaded, you can listen without Wi-Fi or mobile data. Just switch your iPhone into airplane mode. Audible will still play your downloaded books. Now, to turn on dark mode in Audible app, what you have to do is go to your profile and then on the top right corner you'll see the optional settings, and then what you're gonna do is go to your theme option. Now if you want to match your device's appearance, then just click here, and if your device is already on dark mode, it will turn on dark mode, and if it was not on dark mode, then just click on dark mode and that will do. So yeah, safety tips: only download books while on secure Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi can interrupt downloads or expose your account. Quick fix: if dark mode does not show, update the Audible in the app store, then log out and back in theme settings only appear in the latest versions.